Swaidi, welcome to Lao 101 channel, the channel that will help you learn Lao by yourself. Today's lesson is continue with the second episode for the Reading Lao series, and today's lesson is about Sala A, the long vowels, Sala A. Okay, so today's our lesson is the focus with Sala A here, but let's quickly review on the sound again for the Lao vowels. A, I, U, U, E, O, O, Y, W, Ai mấy mai, ai mấy muôn, ảo, ẩm. This is how you read. Có cá, có cá, có cá. Khó khá, khó khá. Cá khá, ngá, chà, xá, nhá, đá, tả, thá, ná, bá, phá, phá, má, giá, rá, lá, vá, há, há, ngã, nhã, nã, mã, lá, quả. So this is only the sound. Some of the words make sense and some are not. And with the long sound, you can put with the tone marker here some vocabulary here. Cá means the crow. Cá, crow. Cá, có cá,ไม่โถ. This one called ไม่โถ. ไม่โถก้า có cá, ไม่โถก้า means brave. ปอป๋า means fish, but this one with ไม่เอก ไม่เอก is a tone marker. The first tone marker in Lao, ไม่เอก ปอป๋า ไม่เอกป่า means forest. ปอป๋า ไม่โถป้า means auntie. ทอทา ไม่เอกทา ทอทา ไม่เอกทา ทอทา ไม่โททา wait. หยอหยา ไม่โทหยา หลอหลา ไม่โทลา หนอหนา ไม่โทหน้า. So this is some of the vocab in with the Sala A. Ko aka, crow. Kaki means the khaki color. Bida means the formal word for dad. Bida. Tida, it can be the name or it can also means the daughter, but this is a formal word. Tadi, ta means eye and di means good eyes. Nga, sesame, seed, the sesame seed. Nga, gahan, brave. Pa, fish. Pa, forest. Pa, aunt. This is funny. Pa, on different meaning. Ta means weight. Nya, grass. Camta means by the riverbank. By the riverbank, camta. Ma pa means fox. Pa mai, how to say, Mai means wood. Pa mai, so the wood forest. Thong na, rice field. Ban na, the village. So the countryside village. Ban na. So let's read in the sentence here. Pasa, antisa, asai means to live. Yubana in a countryside. Pasa, asai, yubana. Huan is house. Huan pasa, yukai means near. Yukai, Kemta is nearby the river bank. Mi pa mai, thong nha, there is forest, the wood in the forest. Thong nha, thong nha means the field with the grass field. Khieu ngam, yin ta di, khieu ngam, khieu means green, ngam beautiful, and yin, yin means cool. Yin ta means it's nice for the nice view for the eyes. Yin ta di. Huan pa sa yu kai kem tha mi pa nha thong nha khieu ngam yin ta di. Pa sa mi ma sư ka ki. Pa sa antisa has mi ma dog name sư Kaki. So Pasa has a dog named Kaki. Pasa mi ma sư Kaki. Let's read again. Pasa mi ma sư Kaki. Kaki mak lai ika. Ka here means crow. Ika means crow, the blackbird. So lai means to chase, mak like. So Kaki like to chase a crow. Kaki mak lai ika. ที่ม้ากินข้าวของป้าสาอยู่ทงนา ที่ม้า that come กิน means to eat. ข้าว means rice. กินข้าว to eat the rice. ของ belong to ป้าสา so Kaki likes to chase the crow that come to eat the rice of ป้าสา in the field อยู่ทงนา Let's read again. Kaki mak lai ika ที่ม้ากินข้าวของป้าสาอยู่ทงนาป้าสาหักกากีหัก means love ป้าสาหักกากี There is a motorbike just passed by, so let's read again. ป้าสาหักกากี Okay, I think you can read this by yourself. Let's repeat from the beginning, and this one without English explanation. Just read. ป้าสาอาศัยอยู่บ้านนาเฮือนป้าสาอยู่ใกล้แคมป์ทามีป่าไม้ทงหญ้าเขียวงามเย็นตาดีป้าสามีหมาชื่อกากีกากีมักไล่อีกาที่ม้ากินข้าวของป้าสาอยู่ทงนาป้าสาหักกากี That's the end of our lesson today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this series. Please make sure you like, thumbs up, and subscribe for the next lesson on Lao 101. Until next time, see you later.